Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to Amira's English Learning Podcast, your warm and friendly place to learn English and grow together. I'm Amira, and today we have a very special episode. We're going to talk about habits, especially those habits we don't like so much, the bad habits we want to change. Changing habits can be difficult, but it is possible, and you will learn English with me while doing it. So, please find a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's start this journey together. Part 1. Understanding habits. What are habits, really? Before we try to change bad habits, let's start with the basics. What is a habit? A habit is a behavior or action you do many times, often automatically, without thinking. Habits shape much of our daily lives. Sometimes they help us, sometimes they hurt us. For example, brushing your teeth every morning is a good habit. Checking your phone right before sleep could be a bad habit if it stops you from sleeping well. Let's say these sentences together. A habit is something I do often. A habit happens automatically, without much thinking. Good habits help me. Bad habits hurt me. Now, take a moment to think quietly. What is one good habit you have? Maybe it's drinking water every morning, or practicing English daily. Try to say it aloud. I have a good habit of. And what is one bad habit you want to change? Maybe biting nails, or staying up too late. Say it aloud too. I want to change my habit of. Remember, having bad habits is very normal. Everyone has them. The important thing is wanting to improve. Part 2. Why do we have bad habits? The psychology behind it. Have you ever wondered why we develop bad habits? Is it because we are lazy or weak? No, not at all. There are good reasons habits form, even the bad ones. 1. Habits save mental energy. Your brain likes to save energy. When you do something often, it becomes automatic, so your brain doesn't have to work hard. This is why habits happen without thinking. 2. Bad habits give quick rewards. They give us a fast feeling of pleasure or relief, even if it is small or temporary. For example, eating sweets when you feel sad gives your brain a little happy feeling quickly. 3. Habits are comfort during stress or boredom. When we feel worried, lonely, or bored, bad habits distract us and make us feel better temporarily. Think of a bad habit you have. Why do you do it? Ask yourself, what feeling do I want when I do this habit? Maybe you want to feel calm, happy, or less bored. Say it aloud. My bad habit helps me feel. Part 3. The habit loop, the key to change. One of the most important ideas to understand is the habit loop. Every habit has 3 parts. Cue, trigger, what starts the habit. A time, place, feeling, or event. Routine, behavior, the habit itself, the action you do. Reward, the good feeling or result you get from the habit. For example, imagine. Cue, you feel tired after work. Routine, you sit and watch TV for hours. Reward, you feel relaxed for a little while. Say these words with me. Cue, routine, reward. Every habit has these 3 parts. If you understand your habit loop, you can work on changing the routine or the reward while keeping the cue. Part 4. 6 powerful steps to change bad habits. Now, let's talk about the most important part, how to actually change bad habits. I will teach you 6 simple and powerful steps to follow. Let's take our time and go through each step carefully. Step 1. Become aware, see your habit clearly. The first step is awareness. You have to notice your bad habit fully. Ask yourself, what exactly is my bad habit? When do I do it? Time of day, feelings, situation. What happens before I do the habit? How do I feel before and after? Try to be a curious observer of yourself, not judgmental. For example, if you snack a lot. I snack when I feel tired in the afternoon. I feel bored before I snack. I feel guilty after snacking. Practice saying, I am aware of my habit. I notice when and why I do it. Step 2. Understand the real reason. What do you really want? Sometimes, the real reason for a habit is hidden under feelings. You might think, I want a snack because I'm hungry. But really, maybe you are tired or sad. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling when I do this habit? What do I want instead of this habit? This step is important because changing habits without knowing the real reason is like trying to fix a car without knowing what is broken. Step 3. Replace the bad habit with a better one. Here is a secret: don't just try to stop a bad habit. Replace it with a good habit. For example, if you bite your nails when nervous, try squeezing a stress ball instead. If you scroll your phone when bored, try reading a page from an English book. Say this: I replace my bad habit with a better habit. Step 4. Make the change easy. Start small. Big changes can be hard and scary. Start small and make it easy to succeed. For example, instead of I will read a book every day, start with I will read 1 sentence today. Instead of I will exercise for an hour, start with I will walk for 5 minutes. Say, small steps lead to big change. Step 5. Celebrate every success. Every time you take a positive step, celebrate it. Smile, say I did it. Write in a journal or mark it on a calendar. Celebration helps your brain feel good about change and encourages you to keep going. Say, I celebrate my progress. Step 6. Be kind and patient with yourself. Remember, changing habits is a process. Sometimes you will slip or make mistakes. That is normal. Don't say, I failed. Say, it's okay. I am learning. I will try again. Being kind to yourself is one of the most powerful tools for success. Part 5. Practice session. Let's talk about your habits. Now, let's practice together. Answer these questions out loud, slowly and clearly. 1. What is one bad habit you want to change? 2. When do you usually do this habit? 3. How do you feel before and after doing it? 4. What is one good habit you want to replace it with? 5. What is one small step you can take today? Take your time to answer. Repeat if you want. Part 6. Amira's story, my habit change journey. I want to share my story with you. For years, I had a bad habit. I always checked my phone first thing in the morning. I felt stressed and rushed every day. One day, I decided to change. I made a new morning routine. Drink a glass of water. Take 5 deep breaths. Write one thing I'm thankful for. Then check my phone. This small change helped me feel calm and ready for the day. You can do this too. Part 7. Your weekly challenge. Change one habit. Here is your challenge. Pick one bad habit to change. Write your habit loop. Q. Routine, reward. Choose a better habit to replace it. Take one small step daily. Celebrate every day you try. Be kind if you make mistakes. You are strong and capable. Part 8. Vocabulary Review. Speak with me. Let's practice important words. Say each word aloud 3 times slowly. Word meaning. Habit, something you do regularly. Cue, what starts a habit. Routine, the behavior. Reward, the positive feeling after habit. Replace, to change one thing for another. Slip up, to make a mistake. Awareness, knowing what you are doing. Celebrate, to enjoy success. Challenge, something hard but good for you. Part 9. Grammar lesson. Used to and be used to. Listen and repeat these sentences. Used to talks about past habits that no longer happen. Example: I used to bite my nails. Be used to means you are comfortable or familiar with something now. Example: I am used to waking up early. Try to say, I used to. I am used to. Part 10. Motivational quotes and final thoughts. Let me share some quotes to inspire you. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. Change your habits, change your life. Small daily improvements lead to stunning results. Remember, change takes time. Be patient and gentle with yourself. You are on a beautiful journey. Closing. Thank you for joining me today. You are amazing for learning English and working on your habits. Let's say our final affirmations together. I can change my habits. I believe in myself. I am becoming better every day. This is Amira, wishing you peace, happiness, and progress. See you next time. Bye-bye.